Good morning, everybody. We're at the Floyd School of Medicine. It's been about 9 months since we saw you last. We're currently 45% done with this project. It's a massive building, 330,000 square feet. The exterior skin is about 30% done. Interior walls about 75% done. And we're going to walk you through some spaces today and get you excited about coming here real soon. We have 370 people on site every day working. Fall of 27 is expected completion date, and we are on schedule and on budget. It's an incredible site. Can't wait to see you all soon.